Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Milk cream, also called malai, is a type of clotted cream commonly used in India, both in cooking and in skincare and hair care. Those who use it believe malai can hydrate dehydrated skin, even skin tone, brighten complexion, and improve skin elasticity.
Let's help you make your mark.
It nourishes skin cells from within and keeps your skin moisturized all day. It can even draw out excess sebum from skin pores and tighten the large pores over time after everyday use. If you apply raw milk to your face overnight, you will most likely wake up with well-hydrated, glowing skin in the morning.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Milk acts as a natural moisturizer for your skin that keeps it hydrated and nourished. It prevents further harm and softens your skin. All you need to do is apply raw milk on your face by using a clean cotton ball and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water.
Take our lead.
Yes, boiled milk can be used to get a shiny and glowing face. Milk contains lots of nutrients like lactase, protein, vitamin A, B, D, minerals like zinc and proteins. So, you won't get any beauty product that has as many nutrients as milk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.